Hi again, and welcome to this video that's going to show you the listings and how you manage your properties from within FantasticStay. Similarly, with our reservations tab, we have our filters here. We have our columns, which we can rearrange, and the same concept for views. If you're interested in knowing more, please go to our previous video for reservations, and you will see how powerful this is. Here, differently from the reservations, you have listings, of course. Immediately you see to which channel a particular listing is connected and which channels are being managed from within FantasticStay. Today, as of 20th March 2021, we're currently connected directly with Airbnb, Booking.com, Vrbo, and a third-party channel manager called Rentals United. And we're also working on adding Expedia, TripAdvisor, Agoda, the Plum Guide, and many others. We're expecting this to be those channels to be introduced in the following weeks and months. I'm going to go now into a particular listing because I want to show you how it looks like. So here, as you can see, the same reporting from the previous video for reporting is available on a property level. You have targets, the revenues, and everything else. Please refer to the previous video called reporting if you want to know more about the statistics that FantasticStay is generating and will be able to generate for you. We have the calendar for a particular property. Again, please refer to the previous video, which is called Multi-Calendar and Calendar, if you want to see more and know more about this FantasticStay functionality. Now I'm going to head to the Marketing tab. It's important for me to note that this is a legacy functionality, which we're about to change really soon in FantasticStay. Will allow many other options and many other features. We'll introduce many interesting things. Please stay tuned in our product updates portal, and please subscribe to our product updates page so we can notify you for every interesting change that we're introducing in FantasticStay. Today, the marketing section is composed from all the descriptions coming from Airbnb. You can manipulate them. You have your amenities, capacity, bedrooms, bathrooms, beds, Wi-Fi's, amenities, stuff like that. And you have your check-in settings. Those settings here are on a property level. However, from our channel section, you can adjust many other things on a channel level. So for example, this property is connected to all those three channels, Airbnb, Vrbo, HomeAway, and Booking.com. So if I expand the channel settings for Airbnb, I can change the currencies, I can change the deposit, cleaning fee, price markup, guests included in price, extra guest fee, minimum reservation notice, maximum reservation notice, and the synchronization type. For HomeAway, I have those things plus different description. I can also manage whether or not it's instant bookable or not, and the cancellation policy. For Booking.com, it's pretty much the same as on HomeAway, with the slight difference that, as you know, on Booking, it's only instant book and I can't touch this setting. Additionally, on the listing level, you have automations. More on those in the next video about automations. And I have additional settings. A few things that we think, and I personally think, are nice to be mentioned and to be known. So there's listing type. I can change the listing type. There's a nickname, which essentially is internal name for you to refer to any property instead of the full address of it. Registration number, registration expiration, merchant name, more on that a little bit later, and custom fields. In FantasticStay, for a number of reasons, you can create custom fields to be added on a particular listing or reservation level. In this case, are custom fields on listing level. So for example, I can have access code and I can change dynamically from a single page, which I'll show you a little bit later. What's the door code for any property, the house rules, special instructions, you name it, whatever you'd like. The custom fields offer super flexibility and many other interesting things alongside with them. And I'll create a separate video, which is more for professionals on the use cases around how to use the custom fields. I will navigate now to the pricing section, where you can change your property currency, your default daily price, your default weekend price, weekly discounts, monthly discounts, and owner revenue or net revenue formulas. What are those? Essentially, if you're managing units on behalf of owners, you most probably are charging a percent of your revenue plus the cleaning fees. So in this case, we manage this property for 90%, for 10% of the gross booking value plus the cleaning fees. So the owner revenue formula is 90% from the revenue minus the cleaning fees. This is what's owed to each owner for each reservation. And the net revenue formula is our revenue, which essentially is 10% of the revenue. Additionally, I can add taxes, which I can choose where I would like to use, either on the Fantastic website, which is our website builder, which you can know more about when you look into one of our next videos called Direct Booking Website, or the FantasticStay website, and Booking.com or Verbo HomeAway. I have also the saved replies, which are the templates I mentioned about in the first video of our unified inbox. So here I can create different folders. I can input additional templates and things that I don't want to retype every single time. It's essentially repetitive answers I use over and over again. And for our automatic signing feature, I have the option to change or add a default template that is going to be embedded to every answer I'm giving from the unified inbox. Those are the current settings that are available on a property level. This is the overall overview of our listing section. Yeah, I know that there are some things missing. We know this, we hear, and we receive constantly feedback about this. And that's why we're pending and we're working on updating the section. Just as a small example, we're going to introduce super nice and flexible gallery that will allow you to manage your images. Thank you very much for your time.